Hello folks, today I will show you something that I've been gaining over 20 years, and this is basically patches. You can see it, ugly patches, this one or this one, and you don't want sometimes to have these patches because you can see them from the side of the wall. So I will teach you to do this one in about 5 minutes. For this you will need a blade. Please use gloves, so you can maybe leather gloves, so you can protect your fingers, because it's very dangerous what I'm going to do. You have to be very careful. If your knife slips out, you could cut yourself, so your fingers must be protected with some sort of awareness. Okay, so number one, you need the blade. Second of all, you will need some sort of a metal wiring like this, or metal brush. I will explain you why do you need this for. Then we will need a wall texture, fast drying orange peel, and we're going to need to set this at the fine. Look, so it's gonna be set to the left all the way. All right. And the last thing, you will need the paint. So those items you need to finish what I'm just will show you. So as you can see, this is a freshly made patch and done so professionally. I would like to share with you, so there won't be anything like that. And how to repair this, it's very simple. So first of all, we will use a little knife and we'll start to get this old material out. And as you work out, you will notice it that the hole itself, it was a lot smaller than covered area. This is all normal texture. And we need to get off some texture as well, and some paint. Again, very careful. If you have a special tool to scrub this, might as well use it. But if you don't, just to use what you have. So for the camera, it's really hard to adjust into this light. So I shut the lights off so you can see it. So you need to scrape it all the way with your edges flat with the inner part. Don't over scrape it from inside. Next thing, we're going to use the wire brush or this one. So don't go inside, just go over the existing texture. Main purpose of using this brush to clean residue, paint, and mastic from existing texture. Brush would be better, but I don't have a brush. As you can see, it cleans out very well. And next thing, we need to have slightly wet rag to wipe it around, and you can see that you're in a lot better shape right now than you have before. So, and I turn the light on and notice that I still have some paint over here. I'm gonna get this off. After I get a little bit of wet rag, so it's soften that material and allow me to make more cleaning. So good. That's about it. As you can see, it's very flat. So now we're gonna get the texture. Make sure you shake it very well. If it's old, maybe 2-3 minutes. If it's fresh, you still shake it for a minute. Set the dial all the way to the left, so it's a small. I usually use, I don't have another hand on me. I usually put this underneath of it. I'll hold like this. I'll do my best to try to do it with 2 hands and record at the same time. And then from about feet away, just lightly touch it. Just like that. Don't overdo it and go a little bit all over the place. Let's try to match the existing one. And something small like this, you don't have to scratch it. You can just spray texture over, and as you can see, it's disappear. If you have mastic, just spray texture on this hole and rub your finger to cover it. After you finish that, spray a little bit more. There's another one right here, and just spray on it a little bit more if it does not stick it out. So basically just replaced complete wall, and it's really hard to show, but it's amazing. If I'm going to paint it, you won't be able to see any patches on this wall. Alright, this was a video from professional with 20 years experience of how to fix the ugly or repair ugly patches on a wall. Thanks you for watching. Please subscribe and share my video. That will be great support from you. Thank you. And comment, of course, what do you think on this, and if you have any other ways to fix this better way. Thank you.